When you're looking for a speaker to inspire and engage your audience, you need someone who understands the speed of business in the 21st century. You need someone who can tell it like it is. You need authenticity, integrity, and creativity. This year will be the year of getting ahead of your customers' experience before they even know they need it. As a professionally trained international keynote speaker, my purpose and my passion is to really ignite your leaders so they can excite your employees, who can ultimately delight your customers. That's what it takes, my friend, to retain customers who are loyal for life and engineer epic experiences for both your employees and your customers. When I speak to organizations across the globe, live or virtually, my goal is to give the audience a blueprint for success with specific tools and techniques that they can implement right away. If you're looking for a speaker who will work with you to design a memorable experience for your guests, someone who will really fascinate and inspire your audience with an interactive session, then I can't wait to hear from you.